Well, there are usually mountains to be seen back there. Smoke is not conducive to astrophotography.
Greetings, everyone. Well, I've heard tell from a lot smarter people than me that mono cameras guide better than color cameras. You're more sensitive because there's no Bayer matrix, so maybe you can pick up more guide stars. And I was looking on AliExpress the other day and saw a mono guide camera on sale for 120 bucks. 120 bucks is in my price range, so I bought it. Let's take a look. All right, the Toup Tek GPM462m. Let's do some opening. All right, came well boxed with that piece of crap. Now we got a USB-C cable. Looks like a USB 3C cable, but when we look at the camera, we see that it has a USB-C connection, but it's really only USB 2.0. I don't know if they're trying to pull a fast one, but they do say that. So, and it has the crap port too. It's much smaller than what I was using. It did come with a couple of extensions. I think I'll just be using this. Shove it right in my guide scope the way it is. So, this is what I was using. We'll do a little comparison. They are both 1920 by 1080, so 2.1 megapixels. Both have 2.9 micron pixel size, both 12-bit. Let's look at this. Sensor size looks awfully similar. This one does have a IR filter over the front of it, though. This one does not. The SV Bony is quite a bit heavier and faster, I think, because it is USB 3. So I think this one would be a better planetary camera because it is color. It will do a faster frame rate. Why do I want to try this one? Well, the IMX462 is a little bit newer sensor than the IMX290 that's in this one. This is also monochrome, which supposedly is more sensitive because we don't have the Bayer matrix over the sensor. All in all, it feels pretty well built. I've seen lots of good reviews for Toup Tek cameras online, so I don't think I'm going to be in too bad a shape, but there's only one way to tell. Get it out under some stars. Okay, clear night, ready to guide. As you can see, I've added a little bit to the refractor. Got some nice scope rings, cheapest you can get from China with Los Mandy plate. Put my big guide scope on top and the new guide camera. I don't know about the smoke. We'll see what it does. Okay, well here we are guiding away. Seems to be staying 60s to 80s pretty much, which is better than I've been getting lately. I don't know why I have such bad luck, but this is what I'm dealing with right now. Got some smoke going on. Here I am. Got some bad fires going in Idaho right now, so what I had to do, I had to like crank the gain up on the camera. Kind of got some bloated stars, but we don't guide with those. I do tend to have a lot more stars though, it looks like, so this camera is a lot more sensitive than my other one was. So I haven't gotten over a arc second yet. It's stayed sub arc second. So I'm pretty happy with the new device. So like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and I'll talk to you later, and clouds suck. Hi, Future Jeff here. After editing this video, we had a favorable wind in the valley and it blew a lot of the smoke out. Not all of it, but quite a bit of it. So it was a clear night, so I set up and tried it again. I was able to reduce the gain on the guide camera. I just hit reset in PhD2 and it went to 0. Things seemed to work okay. I didn't have a ton of stars like I thought I would. So my question to you guys is, if any of you have this camera that you're using, what are your settings in PhD2? What works best for you? Let me know in the comments. I'd really like to find out. I want to get it working good. But I was able to spend a night on one target, so we'll take a look at that. Talk to you later.